Hello everybody, this is the power supply board out of a 47-inch Philips television from about 2006. The symptoms are the TV won't power on, and I've pulled the power supply out, and there's a couple of enlarged capacitors down here on the low, or what looks like the standby supply. They're for, what are they, 470 microfarad at 10 volt. They've definitely got the telltale of gotten a bit large signs. So what we're going to do is swap them out. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is just make sure none of the fuses are blown. So that one's good. That one's good. And is there any more? Alright, there's a red one down here. Fuses are good. So we're just going to swap out these capacitors and see if I can get the set to power up again. So the closest I've got is the 470 at 25 volt. They'll definitely work. These are 10 volt 470, so basically these are just physically bigger, but they should still do the same job, as well as giving us a bit of headroom as well. And they're low ESR. Lead-free solder. Lovely. So we've got our new caps in. They're all soldered in place, ready to go. So just going to go plug it in and see if it works. And the TV works. A couple of 10-cent capacitors fixed a television, which would have cost, what, $600 to $800 to replace. It's pretty good.